I made it for nothing, no turn into something from that.
Welcome to another hair review. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. So the hair comes in this package right here. We are gonna go in the box. Ooh. I love how they wrap their wigs. Oh my god, how beautiful is this wig? We do have a wig band, and we have how to contact them, how to cure the wigs and stuff like that. And then we have 24 inches in a straight 13 by 4. This is the wig, this is the color, this is how it looks. How beautiful is this wig? We have combs in the wig, we have combs on each side. We have one in the middle, and we do have one at the back of the wig. Also, there is a band, and we're gonna install. Are you guys ready for install? Because I'm ready, girl. Let's put on this wig. It's so cute. I'm excited. Look at the color. Oh, I think I want to add some makeup to it. So let's go ahead and add some makeup to the lace. You guys will not see that part, so let me just speed it up. I really wanted a color like this for my birthday, but guess what, we still here. All right, ooh, it is snug, girl, even though I need to fix that. You see, even though it's a frontal, we're gonna do the easy peasy way of installing this frontal. I love that there's a comb at the back, so it's snatch. OMG, it fits my head so good. I normally style my wigs before, so let's try this the hard way. For me, that is. But I love that the wig is snug, so it should be super easy to install. Let me cut off the hair. This is the part I don't really like, this part, okay? And so I like to style my wig. Now, like I said, this is super easy. Okay, perfect. Want a little bit extra. guys. Alright, so this is the wig. It's beautiful. But I'm still trying to figure out how we're gonna do it. Okay, I think I'm gonna make us a middle part. Just because I want to reinstall this wig. So I think I'm gonna do a middle part. And we are gonna do the little to no baby hair type of vibe. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm scared of this part. Alright, so let's go.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine, oh. If you love me, every night, you make you mad, oh. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night.
Alright, y'all. So I'm trying to see if I want something like this. Or I'm gonna do some curls. I really kind of like the updo. It's just something different for this type of hair. So we're gonna see. Definitely I need to cut this. Alright guys, I am done. I like it. Oh, the color is everything, and it was so easy to curl. The curls are curling. Oh, I like it. How do you guys like it? This is it, y'all. I will link this here. I absolutely love it. I think I want the curls to be a little bit more loose. Yes. There we go. I did not add any oil or anything to this wig. I will definitely have the link down. Hold on. Okay. I will definitely have the link down for you guys. I did some little curls right here for it to look cute, and then I love to curl my hair like this, and I put some one curls in it, and the hair O's curl. Now you can put this to the side if you wish, which is cute, and you can go around the back. Let's go around the back and see. I like it. Anyway, thank you to ISEE Hair for sending this beautiful wig. Now, I know you guys are going to buy this wig because it's completely beautiful, okay? So make sure you guys check the description and purchase this wig. I did my makeup as well. We did everything. The wig is cute. Let's get into it. Make sure you check the description and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay?
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Make her cool crap with a money step. Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new chicks, you know me wet. Pat it on my neck, arm, leg.